Ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. He revealed that 0.81 m acres of land was acquired when the caretaker government was in power. Full stop. The two provinces have already signed contracts, while talks were underway with Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and GB governments. Full stop. He confirmed that the land in Sindh was transferred during the days of the caretaker government. Full stop. Since an elected government is now in power, it has the right to reverse the decision, the minister said, but promptly added that this can only be done under the constitutional mechanism. Full stop. He informed the House that the Green Pakistan initiative is a plan to bring barren land under cultivation and enhance the per acre yield through modern techniques, including optimal water usage. Full stop. New para. This initiative would be a joint venture between the provincial governments and domestic and foreign investors, who will get a share of 40% of the profit. Full stop. According to the minister, 20% of the profit will be spent on research and development to enhance agricultural productivity. Full stop. He said a company named Green Corporate Initiative has been registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, which will supervise the initiative. Full stop. On the question of water availability, he said water will be utilized from the already allocated share of the respective province. Full stop. He added that the Cholistan Canal scheme will be the first venture to be started under the initiative. Full stop. This will be funded completely by the Punjab government project, said the minister. Full stop. New para. A PC1 of rupees 211 billion has been made for the 296 kilometer long canal to bring 450,000 acres of land under irrigation. Full stop. The Cholistan Canal would get water for 4 months from the share of Punjab province, while for 2 months, it would be fed through flood water, he said. Full stop. During the session, JUIF MNA moved a bill to repeal the contempt of court ordinance. Full stop. The move would essentially mean that the Superior Court judges would no longer have the power to initiate contempt cases. Full stop. The bill was opposed by PTI chairman Barrister, who said there was a constitutional provision as well dealing with the contempt powers of judges. Full stop. Later, the bill was referred to the relevant standing committee. Full stop. Another bill, seeking to increase the number of SC judges, was deferred after opposition from the PTI chairman. Full stop. The end.